So if you're looking for a way to actually repair your credit in 2022 without spending thousands and hundreds of dollars paying a credit repair company, but you want to actually understand the game on how to remove collections, bankruptcies, charge-off, medical bills, child support, whatever negative that you have on your report, how you can get that removed in less than 60 days using our aggressive 60-day DIY challenge, you need to click the link below to get started. But the cool thing about this is, and before you actually click the link below, I want to tell you guys this real fast. Not only that we show you and give you all the tools, like literally give you every single tools and system that you can use to repair your credit, but the cool thing about this is that we even give you all the brokers and the lenders to actually add positive accounts on your report. Because there's one thing about removing negative items, but the second thing you always have to remember is if you remove all these negative items, your credit score is going to reset. So for your score not to reset, or if it has already reset it, then we give you all the lenders and the brokers that you need to actually add positive accounts to your report to increase your score to at least over a 700 and to qualify for funding, right? Because it's cool to have a 700 score, but if you can't get approved for anything, do you really have a 700 credit score? So go ahead and click the link below. Let's go.